Introduction to DG set. So in this session we're going to be talk about what do you mean by the DG set. We always it is called as a diesel generator. So basically the diesel generator is none other than a power supply actually whenever we exactly require the power, whenever the grid is fails or any kind of the electricity outage is happening. So that time we require the backup power supply so that we can give through the DG set or the diesel generator. A diesel generator, also known as the diesel genset, is the combination of a diesel engine with an electric generator. Often we call it as an alternator. So basically the diesel generator, the rotor has been connected to the alternator, and through that we can able to extract the electricity what exactly we required according to the load consumption and the power demand. This is a specific case of the engine generator. A diesel compression engine is usually designed to run the diesel fuel, because as we know the diesel engine is running on the diesel fuel. In some cases it is a two-stroke engine, four-stroke engine, then the compression ignition engine. So likewise we have to decide first which engine will going to be used in the DG set, and this power, that is a mechanical power, we can give to the rotor of the alternator, and through that we can generate the power supply from the diesel generator. Diesel generating set are used in the place without connections of the power grid. So most of the time the continuous power supply or the prime power supply we can give through the diesel generator whenever grid is failure or whenever in the remote situation the grid is not been available. Some cases the emergency power supply backup we are giving actually. So most of the institutions like in universities, colleges, the industries, whenever the grid outage is happening, so that time as an emergency backup supply within a 5 seconds we can give this power through the diesel generator so that our working will not going to get affected due to the electricity failure. In most of the cases for more complex applications such as the peak lopping, it means whatever the peak demand we have in the industry, if I want to reduce the electricity bill, so in the particular cases whenever the peak demand is occurring, so that time the power we can supply through the diesel generator. Grid support and the export to the power grid also. In most of the cases we can export this power to the electricity grid also. We can sell this power to the grid also over here. But in most of the cases as an emergency backup supply or whenever in the remote situation the power is not been available, that time we are using the diesel generator. This is a typical diagram of a diesel generator. There are various capacities of the generators has been available. Starting from the kVAs we can say actually in terms of the megawatt also we can have the diesel generator is been available. Most of the cases 20 kVA, 25 kVA, such kind of a smaller capacities we are using whenever any kind of a small schools building or the institution building or a small industry purpose we require. In most of the cases 250 kVA, 500 kVA, 700 kVA, 800 kVA, such kind of a bigger capacity. In terms of the mega level also we can use in the industrial supply cases over here actually. So in this particular diagram the diesel generator and the alternator has been fitted. Some kind of the power controller switches are also been available, and through that we can easily able to generate the power from the diesel generator.